Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Apple is known for its reliable data protection measures. If you use a passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID to lock your iPhone, it's impossible for others to get into your locked iPhone without the passcode. That could be great to protect your iOS device from being hacked, but it also means that once you forgot your iPhone passcode, you are locked out of your device, too. Here I prepare you 3 methods to get into your iPhone without passcode. Let's try the first one. Way 1. iPhone Reset. Apple offers us an option to erase the iPhone. After making some incorrect password attempts, you can see in the lower right corner, forgot your password? Then you can follow the prompt to reset your iPhone. In this way, you need enter your Apple ID passcode. If the screen turns black, don't worry. The Apple logo will appear after a while and the data will be wiped. This option can help us erase all data, including screen passcode. Well, now you can set it up as a new iPhone. If you forget the Apple ID passcode, you can use the next way. Way 2. Restore iPhone. In this way, we need use a tool called iTunes. You can search and download it on your computer. Then connect iPhone to computer and put it into recovery mode. Press the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the computer icon. Now, let's launch iTunes on your computer. Here is a pop-up of Restore your iPhone. Here we click Restore. Normally, it can be completed after waiting for more than half an hour. Sometimes, there often occurred some unexpected errors. So if you want a safe and fast way, the following method is more suitable for you. Way 3. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair is a tool can help you reset and remove your screen passcode in 3 clicks. So let's try it. Then connect iPhone to computer and put it into recovery mode. Press the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the computer icon. Okay, go back to UltFone iOS System Repair. Hit the reset option. Then next. Here we download the firmware. Click Start Remove. You can see that it is completed. The startup screen is on your iPhone. It means your iPhone has been unlocked without passcode. Just like this. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.